Hey, what's up? This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. I have this came in my email on Thanksgiving Day, and I was deciding if I should wait until Monday to make the video, but I decided to go ahead and do it now because this is something that I think uh, people need to be aware of because these debt collectors are getting very aggressive. Like there's a lot of portfolios that are being released. I have another one that I'm going to show you in a minute. But look at this one here. This is motorcycle loans, one over $1 million, 345 people, and the charge-off date was 2016. So these would be repossessed motorcycles. Average balance on the motorcycle loans, looks like people had paid on them for a while and then ended up losing them, was 2937, or they were the lower end motorcycles. Now look at the sale price of oops, let me click off there. 25,000 $336.61. Now, this is still, pennies on a dollar. But the thing that I want to make you aware of that you may not know, this media included. This media included means that they've actually know the reason why this is more valuable is because they know where all 345 of these people are. But let me if you happen to be one of the individuals that's going to receive one of these debt collector letters, I want you to know that you need to check your state statute of limitations because this is 2016. So you got 4, 5, 6 years. In my state of Wisconsin, this would be outdated because we have a 6 year statute of limitation, and 6 year, uh, and the date would have been 808, August 8th, and that would have passed the statute of limitations date. In other states, it's lower than 6 years. So that's the first thing that you need to look at. But I wanted to show this because there are some states that statute of limitation is past 6 years. And if you happen to be in one of those states, I'm going to give you some options that you need to pay attention to or that you need to take advantage of to be able to fight back against third party debt collectors who will end up buying this debt. And you can see here it says media included, like I mentioned before. They've already tracked down these individuals and they know their work, they know where they live, they know everything about them. That's why this package, this debt collection portfolio was more valuable. Okay, here's another group of portfolios that have been made available. And you can see when they say mixed, and you can see the dates on them is 10/8/2020. It's $2.9 million, 134 accounts. And you can see when they say mixed, these are usually credit cards. But when I see the low amounts of accounts, 134, this is more looking at a higher type of debt. This could have been a higher personal loan or some sort of private student loans. Credit card debt with 134 people, I would seriously doubt if that was that. It could be furniture debt or it could be auto repo debt. Here's another group mix. Now, this is more common, 30 million, and you have 2,247 accounts. You have 197 million, and you have 16,274 accounts. You have 35 million, 17,888 accounts, 51 million, 51,284 accounts, and 26,000,000, 23,100 accounts, 62,000,000, 13,647 accounts, 45,000,000, 39,732 accounts. And this one here is from the vacuum company, $3 million, 2,030 accounts, and this is Ace Hardware, 4.7 million, 5,136 accounts. And then you have mixed California lenders, might be payday loans, 168 million, 14,841 accounts. And then AC, not sure what that is. AC, oh, well, AC Auto, this might be uh, repossession debt. 1,013,345 accounts. So if you need help with, if you have debt collectors coming after you or sending you these letters, grab my 3 pack of letters: statute of limitations, cease and desist, collection activities letter, or the debt validation letter. Use those three, and make sure you go to our website, thecreditrepairshop.com, to check out the statute of limitations, because it could be past the statute of limitations on the debt that they're trying to collect. And the way that you'll know that the debt is past the legal statute of limitation is by looking at your credit reports. And if you don't have a paid credit report, you can go to our website, your3scores.com, get your paid report, look in the comments section, look at the charge off date, and that's when the statute of limitations clock would start. It doesn't matter if someone else buys it, the clock doesn't start back over unless you make a payment to it. So the link is below this video where you can get those 3 free letters, or you can get the paid collection of those letters. And again, I always ask that you make a donation when you get the 3 letters, because it helps monetize the channel. So thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.